Hey guys, Jimmy here with a review of day 3, SPRAT training level 1. The first part of the day was spent a lot of time on rope reviewing the skills, attempting to do them without any discrepancies or failures. So just a lot of reiteration and review of some of these skills so that we can refine them and do them efficiently and correctly, of course. Second half of the day, we learned some new skills, wrapping over the side of an edge of a building and ascending back over that edge. So a skill that I'm more comfortable with and familiar with. We also did hauling and lowering, and so that's a really good skill to be able to lower and haul someone down the side of a building that's maybe an electrician or something like that. So that's today. I will keep you posted and let you know how tomorrow goes.